Hello everyone, welcome to Pably. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for balloon decorating service. So if you are also running a balloon decorating service and receive a lot of queries from your customer regarding availability, packages and pricing, so this video is definitely for you. Replying manually to these conversations is so time consuming. So I have brought the solution for this problem by creating a WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for balloon decorating service. So by using this chatbot we are going to automate customer engagement, quote request, booking and order tracking for balloon decorating service through WhatsApp, which is your customer's favorite communication channel. So this chatbot is going to ask customer for their occasions, theme preferences and color choices, and this is going to save time by eliminating repetitive questions. So let's start building our chatbot, but firstly I'm going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and here you can see this is the number which I have connected to my Pably Chatflow account. So now I am going to send a message to this number, that is XYZ Balloon Decors. Here you can see as I have entered a message hello here, I am getting an automated reply that is hey there, welcome to XYZ Decors, your one-stop shop for magical balloon decorations. How can we assist you today? And we are getting 3 buttons, that is view packages, book service and general info. So now let's click on view package and see what will happen further. As I am clicking on view packages, I am getting a message which consists of a list. So now let's open this list and see the packages. So here you can see as I have opened this list, I am getting some name of the packages. So now let's click on the first package, that is birthday packages. As I'm selecting birthday packages, I'm getting a message which consists of an image of a birthday decoration, and these are the details of this birthday decoration package, that is its pricing and another details. And at the last we are getting a button that is make booking. So now let's click on make booking and see what will happen further. So as I'm clicking on make booking, it is asking me to enter these details for confirmation of booking. So now let's enter these details. Here you can see I have provided these details, and after that I am getting a message that my booking request has been received and their team will contact me within 30 minutes to confirm. So now let's enroll to our another option, that is book service. As I'm clicking on book service, again it is asking me to enter these details. So now let's enter these details. Again as I'm entering these details, then I am getting a confirmation message. Now let's check our last button, that is general info. As I'm clicking on general info, I am getting a message which consists of the city they are based on and their contact number. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a chatbot like this for your balloon decorating service business using Pably Chatflow. Now for using Pably Chatflow, you have to type its URL, that is www.pably.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pably, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can just click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pably, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pably apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pably. For creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pably Chatflow app, and here on this Pably Chatflow app we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. So now let's click on access now. Once you will access Pably Chatflow, you will get this dashboard page of Pably, and here you can see this is the WhatsApp number I have connected to my Pably Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and on this add WhatsApp number we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to use token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. And now here you can see we are getting the options for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can just click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pably. Now I am going to give a short overview for these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our user and we send them automated replies. Now another one we are getting is contacts. We can manage contact list here. Now the next one we are getting is team queues. If you want to manage your team access for managing the chatbot, you can just click on team queues. Now the next one we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates by clicking here. So now our another option is broadcast. If you want to broadcast your any message on a preferred date or time, you can click on broadcast. Now the next one we are getting is flows. Flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. For creating a chatbot, we just just need to access flows. Now the next one we are getting is AI assistant. We can create or add our own AI assistant from here. Now the next one we are getting is settings. You can manage setting according to you here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click on get help. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. For that you just have to click on flows. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also create your own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide it here. Here I have provided the name WhatsApp chatbot for balloon decorating service. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, it is asking me to enter keywords. So you might be thinking, what are keywords? So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for entering regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for a specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can just enter regex like this. Now if a user sent me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and templates. For creating a message, we just have to click on text plus button. Once you will click on text plus button, you will get this message node. So now let's enter a message here. Here you can see I have entered a message for my customer, and I have placed this XYZ decors between asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to provide some service buttons for my customers. For that you just have to click on add button, and once you will click on add button, it will ask you to enter the text of your button. So now let's enter the text of our first button. So the first button I am going to create is view packages. Now let's create our another button. For that just click on add button and enter the text of your second button. So the second button I have created is book service. Now let's create our another button, that is general info. So here you can see I have entered a message for my customer and created 3 buttons. Now if a user clicks on view packages, I want to provide them a list of the packages. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So now let's click on list. So as you will click on list, you will get this message node, and here it is asking me to enter header, body, and footer for my list. So here you can see I have entered a body for my list. Now I am going to create my list. For that I will just click on add section, and here it is asking me to enter the section title. So now let's enter a title for our list. Here I am providing it the title as packages. Now let's create items for our list. For that we just have to click on add items, and here we have to enter the title of our items. So now let's enter the title here. I have entered the first title, that is birthday packages. Now I am going to add price of this package on the description. Here in this description box I have entered the price for this package. Now let's add more items to our list. So just click on add items and enter the title of our second item. So here you can see I have created my second item also. Likewise, like other 2 items, I have created my third item also. So now if the user clicks on birthday packages, I want to provide them image for that package. So now let's attach an image to our message. For that you just have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for media. By using media you can enter any type of media such as image, document, audio, and video. So now let's click on media. So here you can see this message node has appeared, and it is asking me to select the media type. Now I am going to send the image to my customer, so I have to select media type as image here. Now here it is asking me to enter or paste the URL for the image, or drag or drop the file here. So now let's drag a file here. Here you can see I am having an image named balloon decoration. So now let's drag this file and drop here. As I have dropped this file, I have already got the URL for this file. Now let's enter a caption for this image. Here I have provided the caption our birthday decoration. Now I am going to enter a message with this image. For that I will just click on add content, and here you can see I am getting the option for text plus button where we can enter the message. So now let's click here. Here I have got this message node, and now I am going to enter a message here which consists of the details for this birthday package and decoration. Here you can see I have entered the details for this birthday package. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that I have already told you that you have to click on add button. So now let's click here and enter our button. I have created this button, that is make booking. Now if a user clicks on make booking, I want to ask them about their details. For that you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. Once you will click on ask question, you will get this question node, and here you can enter the question or the details you want to ask from your customer. Now let's connect this make booking button with this question node. So here you can see I have entered a message message asking for the event location or city, event date, time, and name and age. Now moving on further, it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here on this setting tab you can see we are getting the contact custom field. So just click on contact custom fields and create your own fields. Now I am going to select contact custom field as details here, and the format would be any. Now if the user provide these details, I want to send them a message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering a message. Here you can see I have entered a confirmation message for my customer. Now let's enhance our flow and provide book service option to our customers. So here you can see we have created this question note for making bookings. So now I am going to connect book service button with this question note. Now I am going to create a general information message for my customer. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message, and here I am going to enter the details of XYZ balloon decors. So here you can see in this message block I have entered the details. So here you can see we have successfully created our flow for creating a chatbot. You can also create a flow like this for your balloon decorating service. Now for saving the flow, we just have to click on save. Once you will click on save, a pop-up will appear that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer, let me take you towards my inbox. For that you just have to click on inbox section here. Once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and here you can see our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to our customers, and we are successfully receiving messages from our customers. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chat Flow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chat Flow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chat Flow for free now.